Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Find the side marked X. And we've been given a right-angled triangle with an acute angle measuring 40 degrees. A side of length 52 centimeters and another marked X. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. There are two common methods for finding the missing length of one side of a right-angled triangle. Those methods are Pythagoras' theorem and trigonometry. Pythagoras' theorem is usually used when we know the length of two sides of the triangle and want to find the third, while trigonometry is generally used when we know the length of one side and one angle and need to know the length of another side. Or we know the length of two sides and need to find the size of an angle. For this question, we are told the lengths of one side, the size of one angle, and we need to find the length of another side. Therefore, we need to use trigonometry. There are 3 steps to answering this question. First, we need to label the sides of our triangle: opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. Then, we need to decide which trigonometric ratio to use, based on the information we know and need to find. Before performing the calculation, to find the length of the missing side. So let's begin by labeling the sides of our triangle. The side directly opposite the angle we've been given is called the opposite. The longest side opposite the right angle is called the hypotenuse, and the remaining side is labelled the adjacent side. We can use a mnemonic like SOHCAHTOA to remember the definitions of the trigonometric ratios for sine, cosine, and tangent. Those ratios are sine equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse, cosine equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse, and tangent equal to opposite divided by adjacent. In this question, we've been given the length of the opposite side and been asked to find the length of the adjacent side. So it's appropriate to use the tangent ratio. So the tangent of 40 degrees is equal to the opposite divided by the adjacent. And the adjacent side is x. And the opposite is 52. So the tangent of 40 is equal to 52 divided by x. To find x, we need to isolate it. We can do that by multiplying both sides by x, which gives us x multiplied by the tangent of 40 equal to 52x divided by x, which simplifies to x multiplied by the tangent of 40 equal to 52. Then we need to divide both sides by the tangent of 40. So x multiplied by the tangent of 40 divided by the tangent of 40 is equal to 52 divided by the tangent of 40, which simplifies to give us x equal to 52 divided by the tangent of 40. Using a calculator to find the value of 52 divided by the tangent of 40, we get 62 centimeters. So the answer to this question is 62 centimeters. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.